Republican presidential hopefuls and endangered incumbents were once again forced to answer complex questions about abortion rights last week, as a case in Texas showed why the issue that has dominated the 2022 and 2023 elections is poised to play a central role next year. The decision exposed the political reality Republicans face as they try to navigate their conservative anti-abortion base and the general electorate that is more supportive of abortion rights, while red states impose a new set of restrictions on the procedure. With untested exceptions, real-world events continue to confound efforts to sell voters an effective message on the issue and stick with it. Last year, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled Roe v. Wade's decision rescind the long-standing federal guarantee of abortion rights sparked debate in nearly every Republican-controlled statehouse over whether ban abortions, when pregnancy ban them, and what exceptions allow. This has led to a series of legal challenges testing the constitutionality and limits of these bans, and renewed attacks from Democrats eager to portray Republicans as undermining women's health care. Citing the Texas example, President Joe Biden's campaign said it plans to make abortion a major focus as it aims to create a contrast with the 2024 Republican frontrunner. "We're going to make sure the American people know that Donald Trump is the culprit," Biden campaign spokesman Michael Tyler told CNN. "If Trump is reelected, we will face the reality of a nightmare scenario, and that is a national abortion ban." Andy Beshear provided a template for his fellow Democrats. With his re-election victory in a deep red state last month, her campaign ran an ad featuring a young woman describing the trauma of being raped and impregnated by her stepfather when she was 12 years old. "I speak out because women and girls should have options." In the direct-to-camera ad, 21-year-old Hadley Duvall said, "Daniel Cameron wouldn't give us anything," referring to Beshear's Republican rival. Meanwhile, the U.S. Supreme Court's decision last week to consider another abortion-related case could also have political ramifications next year. The justices will consider whether access to a widely used abortion drug should be restricted even in states where the procedure is still allowed. The case involves drug mifepristone, which when combined with another drug is one of the most common methods of abortion in United States. The move raised concerns from some Republicans and vulnerable New York Rep. Mike Lawler, who said the Supreme Court should stand down. Search for middle ground on 2024 presidential campaign trail. Republicans vying be the GOP's main alternative to Trump have carefully tried find a middle ground between party base and general election voters. Asked about the Texas case at a CNN town hall Tuesday night, Florida Gov. Nikki Haley tried to dodge questions about whether she would sign a federal abortion ban into law by pointing out,